GM to the Web3 guys, and good morning to the Web2 folks out there. Okay, so um, as you know, I'm a smart contract developer, so I'm taking a step backward from the Web3 ecosystem, from new smart contract development, and diving deeper into the Web2 ecosystem. I was there on the surface before I dive into Web3. So I realized that the whole Web3 is based on Web2, and I feel there's more concept to learn in the Web2 ecosystem. So I went back to get my hand dirty with the front end development in the Web2 ecosystem. So I got an internship with Lab, and I built a portfolio which is with Tailwind CSS, that is HTML CSS. But instead of using normal CSS, I use Tailwind CSS for my project. So, and I would like to take you guys around the project and show you how I built it, and explain some of the concept, and let you know some of the reasons why I feel Tailwind is better than the normal CSS that we write. So here's the project here. This is it. It's just a simple page just to tell the people about myself. So I have some of the project I've built. This is like the Euro page where I have like my name and age and download my CV. I have this button that links to my Twitter profile, my LinkedIn profile, and my GitHub profile. And these are just buttons. It's a single page website, so these are just navigating to the to the ID that holds them. This is like my logo. That's me. Okay, these are the projects I've worked on. These are things like I clicked on, it takes me to another page, and these are my experiences. HTML5, React, JavaScript, CSS3, GitHub, Git, Solidity, TypeScript. Just like if you want to contact me, and I have like my footer, I have my blogs, my link to my GitHub, and this is my wallet address in case you wanna, send me some ATH. It's nice. so here, so here's my code base. By the way, my website is hosted on Versa. Yeah, you can see it's versa.app. So it's hosted on Versa. Yeah, homepage. Okay. So here's my code. So I did the installation of Tailwind. So here is on the website here on Tailwind. So let's start with Tailwind. So I go to tailwindcss.com, go to the docs, and just to follow this procedure. I did my npm installation, npm init, then I copy the CDN here. Where is it? Okay, CDN. Yeah, so I copy it to my project, and then I start after the installation. I have all this installed, package JSON, package Tailwind config, and now the node modus. So I put my index.html, I create my index.html, I create an image folder. This is an animate. The CSS is the CSS to create an animation for my page. So if you check on the landing page here, we discovered that okay, can you see the effect on this full stack developer? Let me refresh one second so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I use the animate CSS for that. So it's a collection of different animation effect that you can apply. You just apply the CSS file, the class file to it, the class name to the element you're trying to apply the effect on. Then it actually gives you anything you want. So I use font on some icons on my page also, and this way I imported the animated CSS, and this is the font also of CDN of it. Then this is my title, Adwale and portfolio. And you can see it here that if you check here, this is it here. So that's what you can see. This Adwale portfolio. Yeah. So this is it here. So this is my body tag. I gave it this background color, and this is my text. So this is BG. I use an RGB for it, and I have my text. And this is my navbar. I make it sticky top. So one thing with Tailwind CSS is they have already pre-computed class that you can use. So if you go to the documentation, you just pick the class you want. Okay, sticky means you want it to be sticky, and you want top zero means you want to be at the top. So you can see this bit is mixed background. Then RGB, this is the RGB I want to use, and I use text. I want this to have this text color. So if you go to the documentation, it's very well explanatory on how you can use some of these classes on when you're building your website. So I make it sticky. This is my navbar, and you can see if I go scroll through, you see that it's sticky. Can you see? Instead of it to be fixed there, it's sticky. It moves as I scroll down to the page. It keeps moving with me, and it's at the top. So that's what that does. And I have this flex. I have my image here. This euro. That's for my the icon you see at the on the page. And then this is my all my bar skills content. These are my link tags. I have a border. The border bottom effect that you see, and this is the indigo 500. This is the color code I use for it, and I have the hover border. When I hover on the links, it changes the color to indigo 300. And this, if you check it out, you discover what I'm talking about. Can you see? So the border color, I add an effect to it, so that it changes color when you hover on it. Okay. And this is my profile link, my GitHub profile, my LinkedIn profile, and my Twitter profile link. And this is my, can you see the links here? So I use font awesome icon for them. You can see the font, Twitter font awesome icon, LinkedIn and stuff. And I created that effect, this effect you see here, like this kind of rounded at the top, like a house. Can you see a house, like, and the icon are in between them. So I use the BG state, this rounded tifo, yeah, this particular round tifo gives that effect, and I gave it a background color of 950 BG slate 950. That's the background color slate. 950 is a color code on the Tailwind documentation, and I gave it a text blue. That's why you see text blue on those on these icons. That's why they have text blues. And then, so I think that's basically what I did there. And I have some order I made. So this is just for making it for responsiveness actually. So when it's on mobile, I changed the order of the page and I created an hamburger for it. So I think I explained that. Let me go to that stage. So I'm just explaining on the whole large screen design right now. Sorry about that. And this is my Euro container. So I use a container MX Auto. I actually apply container MX Auto on most of the pages. I think so. Okay, not here. I think I did. Okay, so container MX Auto. Okay, container also MX Auto. You can just see it here, container MX Auto. And I think I added from more place here. So container MX Auto. Alright. So this is why I have container MX Auto is I want them to be center aligned. So like they should have like padding right, padding left, and she should be in the middle. So that's why this container MX Auto did for me. And I give it an ID of Euro. So hello, I'm Isaac, based in the UK. And then I have my full stack blockchain developer there. So I give it a color. So the animate effect I was talking about from animated CSS, this is here, animate underscore animated, animate underscore heartbeat. So that's the effect I added to it. And then I give it text CR 950. That's to change the color of the text to CR 950. So, and this is text. I made this text the yellow Isaac 2XL, that this should be light, and I think it's showing me. Okay, that's this 24px, that's 1.5 RAM, and this is 6px, that is for the full stack blockchain developer. And you can see also that this is more bigger than the normal text, right? And then I have the link. This is the link to my portfolio. So I use a Google Drive so that I can keep it updated in case I made any changes. And I made the BG indico and hover, it changes the color also. So these are the project I've worked on. These are my projects. So I created a grid column for them to hold everything. So this is the first one, the Novifix project. This is the first demo project. This is the staking dot project. This is the meeting dot project. And I had an over effect on it that breaks down the text when you hover on it. So this is it here. If you hover on it, just go that this text pops up. You hover on this text pops up. This text pops up, same as you can see here. So I have my project for of this project there on the same line. So it's also responsive that when you get to the mobile page, it changes the resolution also. And this is my skills experience page, and this is the code for that. So I actually use font awesome for that icon, but I couldn't get some icons for, I think, also written on TypeScript. So I had to get a picture and then give it the same size with font icon size, and give it a background color of white so it fit into the page. I'm gonna show you that. So this is skills. This is the skills page. Container makes auto so it can be so that it can be in the middle, and as you can see here, like you have spaces. You can discover that there are spaces here, spaces here. So I just give it the same thing you can see here. Then this guy takes the full weight. So this guy does not have the class container MX auto, just like the nav bar also doesn't have container MX auto. Just those guys in the middle. This they have the container MX auto. So let me go back to the skills experience page now. So this is the skills experience title that you can see there, and I have my icons here. HTML5 icon, React icon, JS icon, CSS icon, GitHub icons. So just basically like that. Okay, that's what I was talking about. About this the picture that I had to use to read the picture. I couldn't get the icon, the TypeScript also, and I gave it a margin also just to fit into the page, and I gave make it in line and the video white. So this is testimonial page. Container MX auto also for that. Okay, the contact page rather. Okay, I was hoping to have a testimonial page here, but I couldn't get something to write there because I really don't have a testimonial, so I just have to skip that. I move to my contact page, and this is the contact me icon here, and then the contact me heading for the page. And I created a form, so this is the form now. This is the form tag. So I have this center, SF center, MD flex for Bexy. So base one over two. So I'm telling you that you take a base of half of the page. This is what this base is talking about. This is what half that's half of the page. I'm dividing it into two. So I want the image to take. And can you see that the base also the image? I want the image to take half of the page, and the form to take also half of the page. So that's it. So I have my form here, BG white, shadow, and the rounded. So these are just editing on the page. So I have this background white. I give it the shadow, and I made it rounded. Height full, width full. Okay, this is not meant to be there. Okay, I was trying to use to submit the form using PHP and stuff like that, but I deleted the code already. So and I just want to make this simple because I don't want to start explaining the process of the PHP other thing. So I might delete that. So div class and before I don't think this is just basic. Okay, email message, and I have this send message button also that's indigo and over. It changes the color. So and this is the image I was talking about on the other page of the form page. You can see this image here. Yeah, so they have the same size, 1/2, 1/2. Cool. So into the others. Okay, all to the go. And this is my footer page actually. Flex column, odd, and this copyright. Justify evenly, text enter. Okay, border top. I'm giving a border top 2, and I'm giving a border solid, and this is the RGB color. So this is just about this border here that you can see here. This border, this tiny line you see here. Yeah, that's the code for it. That's the code for it. And the general background for the page is this for the footer page, and this is the text color for the page. And I'm getting font bold on P5, so padding 5, padding top 5, and this is the font. I'm making it font bold. I'm making the flex color also. So and I have like the copyright copy 2023, and this is my GitHub code there. And my blog. This is a link to my blog also here. My blog at @ashnode at Blackadam there, and this is my wallet address. So as you can see here, this is it. The authority code. This is my blog, and this is the address I was talking about. So this chart me is this is done online actually. So there's a website called iCSS, I think. Yeah, this created.iCSS.com allows users to just generate a code snippet for WhatsApp button. So I implemented it on my page, and this what was generated after I filled the whole criteria of it. So it's a JavaScript script that actually integrates WhatsApp to your page. So and when if I should click on that now, it's going to take me to my WhatsApp page, and how can I help you and those things. It's going to take you to my WhatsApp page to DM me. So I think that's basically everything. And if I should let me just check for if I should try to get to the screen size here. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so this is it on mobile view. Let me just use this so this is on mobile view. So I told you I changed the order of the element. You know, this actually was right there, right here. Well, my profile link here. My profile link was at the right end of the page of the navbar, and I have my links at the middle here before, but I changed the order. So I create an hamburger for it, so that if you want to go to home, about, skills, contacts, so this hamburger works for it. And I changed the whole resolution of this of my project. Instead of it to be in the row form, that's not the column form, as you can see. All right, and this is not responsive here. Okay, all right, because I didn't something totally to mobile view, and this is it on mobile view. The icons, my content me, and this is it. So this is basically all what I want to explain about this. So you also can give it a try. I feel this makes my work easier and faster in Tailwind CSS. So I don't need to create an external CSS file for my project, and it's easy for me to edit my things. So if I have any issue, I just go to the particular container or the container section that is giving me the issues. So check the code, I check who is giving me issue. That I can edit to my taste. So I feel Tailwind makes my work easier and faster. That's just it. And I feel my code sky. I think I only have less. I have less. Sometimes you have to have your you have to have for each screen, like your media query for each screen, you have to have you know the css I think it's the css for each screen also. So with this now, it just makes simple. I'll just have one single html page that's all the css file embedded in it, and it's cool. So let me know how you feel about this code, about Tailwind CSS also, and about this project also. And by the way, this profile is public, and you can check my GitHub repo. So in case you wanna clone and just edit or add some things to it also. So I'll be waiting for you guys comment. Thank you so much. Goodbye.